What's going on, everyone? It's Justin here, and this right here is the all-new Mercedes CLA. I'm gonna take you guys through a close look of this car, but I mean, you can't ignore this beautiful backdrop. So here we are in Rome, home of the global unveiling of the new Mercedes CLA. In a city with so much history and iconic landmarks, we spent a bit of time walking around seeing as much as we could, taking in the architecture and ancient ruins on full display. It's truly one of the most spectacular backdrops for a car launch event imaginable. Walking along the red carpet affair of Villa Miani, it highlighted classic elegance of Mercedes' past as it prepared to show the world their new era of the CLA, AI technology, and the electric future.
Good evening.
Redefining the relationship between the human and the car. All with the picturesque backdrop of ancient Rome and the Vatican City in the background. Let me introduce you to the newest Mercedes. This is the all-new CLA, and this is a car that I feel like I have the most personal connection to because I actually had the opportunity to drive the Vision EQXX, which is a 1,200 kilometer range electric concept car in Immendingen, Germany a few years ago, and it truly was an exclusive experience that was once of a lifetime, and that was to showcase a car that Mercedes had built and tested from an aerodynamic standpoint to be able to achieve range that has never been seen before on an electric car. In addition to that, I was also an owner of a CLA 45 AMG for a number of years. In a Dizino Magno Gray, a sporty Alcantara interior, it was an amazing car. I loved the fact that it was fun, nimble, relatively compact with a great level of sportiness. And as we carry on the journey, I had the opportunity to also see the concept CLA at CES 2024. But this is the final product. 792 kilometers of range, electric and hybrid option, the latest and greatest technology inside that showcases AI as well as MB.OS. And in addition to that, the perfect combination of practicality, sportiness, luxury, and intelligence. So I'd say my favorite feature is the 142 individually illuminated LED lights. You can set it to your own animation while the car is not driving, and I just love how it like flows across, and I think it adds a very distinct futuristic look to it that we know and love with electric cars. You guys know I love LEDs, and in this situation right here, it also carries the LED light throughout the entire front bar, similar to what we've seen from other electric vehicles in the Mercedes lineup. The 3-point is also brought over to the front headlights, which just like shine and glow, and as soon as you see this car on the road, you know it's the newest generation. This 4-door model right here allows you to have your friends in the back. You can also fold down the seats and have a bit of cargo in conjunction with the front. And these seamless door handles are also beautiful as well. We're gonna save the inside for a little bit, but as you go along the back here, once again, the light bar carries all the way along, and you kind of have like this rounded but sleek look to it, giving that sporty element while maintaining a smooth and streamlined design approach. And I mean, the cargo here is more than ever before. Here you have your rear cargo, your seats fold down, you also have your front cargo, and as someone who drove the CLA 45 AMG as an everyday vehicle for quite a few years, I actually found that it was able to bring a surprising amount of stuff, but in addition to the front, you can have like your duffel bag and luggage in addition to whatever you're planning to put in the back. This is able to get you 792 kilometers of range on a single charge. And in addition to that, in just 10 minutes, you can get 325 kilometers of charge. And Mercedes has also been investing a lot of efforts into high-powered charging networks across Europe and soon North America as well, just to be able to ensure that you have access to the fast charging capabilities that these cars are able to give you. So before we go ahead and take a look at the interior of the all-new Mercedes CLA, I want to give a huge thanks to the sponsor of this video, Lenovo, and their Legion Go S. This might just be the best handheld gaming system. First off, it's got a beautiful display. It is an 8-inch Lenovo PureSight gaming display, and it has a 120Hz refresh rate, which is a must for any gaming system. And I just feel like this is a really good size where you actually have a large display to be able to enjoy while still remaining portable, and that is also thanks to the 16:10 aspect ratio in which it isn't too wide. It is powered by the new AMD Ryzen Z2 Go chip, 32GB of RAM, as well as 1TB of internal storage for all of your games. It also features the Legion cold front technology as the fans circulate throughout the back and the front here, and it's one of the quietest handheld gaming consoles that I've used so far. And so if you take your gaming seriously, then I would say this is able to keep you nice and competitive while you're on the go. Lenovo Legion products also come with 3 months of Xbox Game Pass for free, and it features some of your most popular games, including Minecraft, Sims, FC24, and more indie games, and it really does have a vast library of games, so there's something for everyone. This right here is the Windows model, but there's also a SteamOS model that is coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys want to go ahead and check out the Lenovo Legion Go S for yourself, I'm going to drop a link down below, but let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of the all-new CLA. So now we're inside the all-new CLA, and it's beautiful. It has a perfect balance of minimalism, futurism, design that is very similar to the approach of the exterior as well. Sophistication through LEDs, customization, personality, but at the same time, recyclable materials have been used to develop the interior, and it is just so comfortable to sit within. This is a car that is really for everyone. I hope to have the opportunity to drive this on the road when it becomes available, but talking about it right now, it's actually a very similar design spec to what I had. I had black Alcantara with red stitching and the silver carbon fiber accents. The way the displays have been set up, instead of being a hyper display that goes like all the way across and curves around, it's one that is simple, but at the same time has a main system right here that allows you to interact with the vehicle. You can install a whole array of apps that have been integrated within. You have access to AI technology just with a press of a button and the ChatGPT integration. And as we saw during some of the demonstrations, you can really just have a conversation with it, talk about whatever you might want, what you want to learn, and you don't have to like specifically worry about your wording or anything. The system is able to pick it up and have an actual human conversation with you. And I mean, that's always just going to get better through software updates. The car is going to continue to get smarter. Self-driving technology is going to continue to improve with over-the-air updates in certain regions. Talking about other elements of the design, I love like the perforated, you guys know I also love like flat bottom steering wheels, and that's something that I had on my vehicle as well. The seats are also just a lot more cushioned and comfortable, and you also have some space right here, as we saw in some of the demos, where your game controller could actually go right here if you decide to go ahead and play some games through the apps that have been supported on the MBOS system. The large glass roof just lets in so much light, lets you electrochromatically adjust it, and I mean, it just feels more spacious. I never really had an issue with space on the previous generations, but this all-new CLA is just a little bit larger, and I feel like just based on its all-new platform, it's a lot more spacious on the inside. Both cars feature a 2-speed gearbox that gives you great acceleration and also providing an extra torque when towing and delivering extra efficiency as well. It's a car that's really meant to be your friend, hence its model of the cleverest Mercedes ever built, and that every Mercedes from now on has a supercomputer from within. It's available in both a fully electric and ICE model, depending on your own preference, which I think is really interesting. It's first going to be available in late 2025 as an all-electric model, but in early 2026, you'll have the option to actually go with a hybrid model that is not a plug-in hybrid, but one that features an inline-4 engine with the battery technology to give you the ultimate amount of power, as well as a bit of range as well through the regenerative technology. So as always, we try to show you guys the exterior beauty, design, and innovation in Mercedes' new vehicles, but now it's time to show you the inside. This vehicle is built on the new Mercedes MMA, which stands for the Mercedes Modular Architecture for Hybrid and Electric Platform of Vehicles. Focusing on the electric, we had the opportunity to have a Vision Pro experience to see where all of the different elements of the vehicles are, as well as the insides and how they interact within each other in this new technology. The Mercedes-Benz new CLA features an advanced 800-volt electric drivetrain and a 2-speed gearbox for high efficiency, fast acceleration, and long range, from all the learnings of their EQXX project, which focused heavily on the aerodynamics of the future as well as extreme recuperation to be able to reach ranges of over 1,200 kilometers. The electric motor on the CLA uses a silicon carbide inverter, and the system includes an intelligent energy recovery, and it offers 2 battery options as well, an 85 kilowatt hour for high energy density and another 58 kilowatt hour that reduces rare material use. It also features intelligent front and rear axle integration that decouples it from the front axle when it's not needed and is able to re-engage in just 0.2 seconds. Well, the final result of the CLA is that it achieves up to 750 kilometers of range and an 800-volt system that enables rapid DC charging with up to 320 kilowatt charging power. The technology within the vehicles, paired with the Mercedes-Benz high-power charging network expanding around the world, delivers the ultimate electric car future experience for their customers. It's been incredible to be here at the global premiere in Rome at this beautiful villa with the view behind us, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, if you did, make sure to go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.